Hi, this is Connie from Connie's Creations, and I'm here with my assistant.
Hello, I am Jake from Peyton B and their friend.
And I got another subscription box from Mindful Souls.
Oh no.
So let's see what they send us. Something makes noise in here, and I hope it's not broke. And there's our sticker that we usually get.
Yes.
And then we have this here. Let's see what this is. Well,
Styrofoam.
ooh.
What is it?
It's a spoon with a crystal on the top. Boy, if that ain't fancy. Don't know yet what this is for. Probably for potions and spells and magic. It's like falling in love with you and, like,
Hey, that's what I need to do to my ex.
Can you voodoo somebody with it too for bad luck?
I don't know, maybe. That's what I need to do to my other ex.
Well, we have another little baggie.
Oh no, are you doing like the ASMR crap now?
Oh, there's something. What's in the baggie? Oh, it's a necklace.
It's a necklace!
Might be lapis lazuli. Lapis. Let's do the other little baggie first. And let's see what we've got here. Another small baggie. Looks like a bracelet. Ah, nice. Don't break it. It has an opening, for it. Yes, very nice. Can our viewers see it good? Yeah.
Yes.
And here's the noise maker.
The culprit.
It's a big bag.
Uh-oh. What?
I don't know.
What is it?
I don't know.
That's not good. Yeah, well, you...
on here? Well, I guess we'll have to consult our little booklet.
Oh, here, don't spoil the viewers. Because I think there's something else in there.
You think? Oh, yeah. Oh, there's more stuff in there. I found another baggie. Oh, cool. All right, let's see what's in here. Oh, I like it. I'm always happy when they send me these. I love them crystals.
Crystal towers.
Yeah, buddy. And I guess we'll have to consult the booklet to see what stone it is. What gem. All right, let's see. Then we have... There we go. Oh, is that another one of them worry stones, I guess, that you rub? All right, let's find out what we've got. All right, so the bracelet is moss, agate, and labradorite bracelet. I hope I'm saying these names right.
We're not Americans.
You are, I'm not.
I'm not. What are you yapping about?
The spoon is a clear crystal.
Yeah, no shit.
Who says you can't sprinkle a little crystal magic into every part of your life? With this unique tool, you can turn even your morning coffee into a mindful moment. I don't think I would want to stick that in my coffee, but... And yes, the necklace, I was right, it's lapis lazuli. And then the crystal here is mahogany obsidian. And then the palm stone is labradorite. Okay. That's actually the same as the bracelet is. That stone here is the same as them darker ones, I guess. So then this here is an incense holder. I kind of thought as much because of this right here. You put, and then the ashes, I guess, falls into this.
Oh.
Relaxation and mindfulness, element fire and water, chakra crown. We've got a little extra something to make unboxing day even more special. This incense holder is here to create a more relaxing and uplifting atmosphere in any room. Very nice. And then it has instructions for crystal cleansing and activation. Yeah, this is where you have to
Hippie
put
shit.
them in purified water,
Holy
immerse
water.
them for like an hour to wash away any negativity.
Wash away the sin.
Yeah, this is something, I guess this is why I have all this bad karma in the house. I need to wash all my stones.
Oh, yeah. Hey,
Yeah,
what? You could get that deodorant. You know, the one that they keep advertising for
So,
spraying your psh.
yeah, so you don't stink where your psst is. And,
Yeah.
Yes. And under your
Spray.
psst and
Yeah, I
yeah,
guess spray it on
spray.
your crystals.
So they smell good.
Yeah.
Cleansing. All right. So anyways, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe. And until
Till
next time, auf Wiedersehen, arrivederci, au revoir, adieu,
Adieu.
tschüss, tschüss.
Tschüss.